Hi friends. Welcome to our channel. In today's video we are going to see subwoofer filter. It is updated version 3.0 in which you can also adjust frequency. This is 50k pot for adjusting the frequency. And this is the preset of 100k to control the gain. These are audio inputs, right, left, and ground. And from here you will get the output, which will be mono low frequency for subwoofer. Here you have to connect plus 18 minus 18 volt DC and ground. This is the bottom side of the PCB. If you like our videos, then please subscribe and press the bell icon to get notification. After the board is assembled, it will look something like this.
Eternal.